That's in the way. Alright, good morning. I'll do something a bit different today. I'm in my van, but what's happened is the fan in my van isn't working right. I'll put my ignition on. I want to take it out of reverse. I hear the beeping, turn the light off. Okay, now if I put my fan on one, look, I don't know if you can see. Right, nothing, then nothing, and then full whack. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can repair it. I did a bit of goggling on it, a bit of Googles, and I found out that it said on there that it's a resistor gone. So I bought this off eBay, so hopefully it'll work. So yeah, I thought let's see if we can get this to work. Follow me. Okay, I'm at the passenger side of the van. Okay, yeah, looking a bit of a mess. Right, it's down under here. Oh, this is my trusty torch. I've got this from Aldridge's. So what it is, it's under here, and it's that bit there. There. That bit I've got to take off. So it's got two little socket things on there. So I don't know if I can. Yeah, does that work? And then this comes off somehow. Not sure. Yeah, it's supposed to pull off. I know it pulls off. There's a little button in there. That's it. There's a little button in the catch. And it's got two tiny spanners. But what I do have is I have my trusty D-walt. Oh damn, open up the wrong way up. Hopefully I'll have something in here that will do the job. Bought this from Costco a few years ago. It's got like a little screwdriver handle on it. On the side. So do you have anything to downsize it? Ah, that's it. Nope. I think I'll have to go with. Oh, that's a shame. Actual socket. So let's get back under there and have a look. Let's see. Where were we? There it is. That's in the way. Oh, it's too big. Too big. Let's try this one. That was a 7. Too big. Right. Hang on 1 second, let's see if I've got anything smaller. Alright, now I've got the trusty wear set. That goes down to 5.5. So I could try that. I wonder if this please fit. Oh, perfect, I can use that. Right, let's get this back underneath. There you are. Leave it out of the way. Is this going to fit? Okay, that's fit. So it's 5.5. Fit perfectly. One screw out. Can't see. Is that just one screw? No. Probably this one here as well. I can't even see it properly. There could be one bolt. One bolt. If it's a new one. It's one bolt. One bolt. How does it come on? Right, one bolt. Oh, it's got like little clips there. Here we go. Right, now it's come. Right. Oh, you're upside down. Get the right way up. Right. There's the old one. Does look pretty manky. Okay. This is a new one. It's nice and shiny. Okay, so let's see if we can put this back in. Right, there goes the camera again. This is the right way, the wrong way up. Right, let's push it in there. Now, get the little bolt. Oh, shit. Oh, God's sake. Oh, I dropped it. I dropped it now. Oh, I lost it. There it is. Oh, sorry guys. It just dropped behind. There we go. Put you back in place. Why is it not doing up? This wasn't the full set. I put this the wrong way up. Right. Doesn't want to go down the hole. Come on. Wow. Come on. According to this, it's not even lining up. The hole isn't lining up. Let's get you back up here. It's all the same, both identical. That's obviously something I'm doing wrong. I'm not lining it up properly. Right, down we go again. Right. So that goes in there. Why are you not lining up? Oh, something isn't quite right. I'll get this torch line up. There we go. That might be better. That's it. And because that magnetic, it is falling all over the place. Oh my god. This is probably why people pay people to do these jobs. Oh. And the hole's actually here. Oh, I know. It must go in. Yes, in. It slides over, that's it, clicks in. So when you push it in, you slide it across. And now, there you go. It does up. And we'll put the clip in. All done. Right. Let's see if it works. Oh, I hope it works. Right. Then I'll leave the key in the ignition. Nope, oh, I didn't. That means it's probably in my top. Take it off. It's off. Right. Here we go. A moment of truth. Right, is it going to work? Oh. Oh. And it works. So, if any of you guys got a fan that don't work, didn't take that long. I mean, I didn't really know what I was doing. I've never done one before. But yeah, it's this bit here does look manky. Remember to slide it across so you can get the screw in. But yeah, anyway, something a bit different to my normal locksmithing stuff. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you got something from it, and cheers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and catch you in the next one. See ya.